Right, I'm having a good hard look at the carbon wings. I'm going to look about getting this wing off today and seeing how difficult it is. This one has been replaced before, so it shouldn't be that difficult. I've not got to worry about anything being seized on or anything. So I've got it jacked up, got the wheel off. Let's have a nosy at this. Right, first job with this then is to get the wheel arch liner out. We've got some hex keys, star keys, whatever they are. We'll get this undone and we'll get this off. 4 rusty manky bolts later. Oh, there we go. Right, so it's these 2 bolts here that are holding the bumper in situ with the wing. Now on the video I'm watching, there should be 2 bolts here, but it's on the other side. So I'm gonna have to take the headlight out now, I reckon, get them off, and then that's job done. But the arch liner's out and we're about there with it. She is naked, look. Right, we've got access to these 2 bolts now. So these are the 2 bolts for the wing. Now on the video I watched, the bolts were actually underneath, but these are on top. So I've had to remove the headlight, but it gives me a lot more room to play with. So I just need these 2 out. I think these are 2 10mm bolts. Right, that's bumper finally off. I've never had the bumper off myself before, so there's just a couple of bolts on them plastic little tabs there, and this is loose and ready to come off. So I think there's just a couple of bolts here and just some situated around here. I'm going to carry on watching the video and see where we're at. Right, it's starting to get loose now, and then I think there's just a couple of bolts behind this headlight bit here. As you can see, I've got to get that one out there. It's another 10mm bolt, so I'll sort that out now. Right, I think that's all the bolts loose now. It's just these 2 bolts on the bonnet, which is where things are going to get tricky because I haven't got a spare pair of hands. So I've got to take this off, maybe rest the bonnet sort of at an angle, and then sort of get the new wing on, get the bonnet back on, and then I can start messing about with all these sort of clips down here, get the top bit sorted first. So I'm going to have a look at this now. Right, I'm convinced it's just these 2 bolts now, so this is where the fun begins. That's another piece of the puzzle solved. I've got that precariously resting at the minute. I just need to figure out what's going on with this. Right, that's the wing completely off. There was 2 bolts down here where the side skirting is, and they sort of bolt up there. So that's where I was struggling. It was sort of hanging off, but we're about there with it now. So that's the old wing off. I'm so tempted just to clean all this up, but I just want the wings on, do you know what I mean? Go over it with some wire brushes, get it all sort of painted up nicely, but again, it's having the time to do it, so I'll have a good think. A lot of sort of these bolts as well, really rotten. I could do with replacing them if I could, but I suppose it's one of them. Right, I couldn't help myself. I've got some Hammerite direct to rust, so I've gone over just the worst areas because some of it was quite badly corroded. I'm in my own light now, but as you can see, and I've just sort of slapped it on any really bad areas. So I'm going to let this dry out for a good hour now, and then we'll get these new wings on. Right, that's the carbon wing on. Just got that bolt in there, and I've just got these in down here. Absolute nightmare these were, so I just need to get one more in that, and then that's job done. Get the bumper back on, and then it should be looking bang on. Right, I've just got the bonnet bolts back in. Carbon fibre, carbon fibre, carbon fibre. That's looking really nice. Right, I'm going to get this finished up. Right, that's bonnet all secured. Now I've just got to sort this bottom bit of the bumper, re-secure that to the wings, get the wheel liner on, and then that's job done. There we go, the new carbon fibre wing is in situ, side sequential indicator lights back in, and it's looking absolutely bang on. And while I've been there, I've managed to adjust the bonnet so it's sitting that little bit better now. So obviously I'm going to recreate that on this side. So you've got the OG wing, carbon bonnet, look at that, quality mate, and then carbon fibre wings. The fitment on this is impressive. I've impressed myself, look at that. Look at the quality of this carbon, mate. So there we go. So I'm going to get everything back together. I'm going to get the other side started tomorrow, weather permitting. But look at that. Finally got it. Carbon fibre wings, lads. Look at that. We don't mess about. Carbon fibre, carbon fibre. Look at this car, mate. Carbon fibre wing, carbon fibre bonnet. The build's really coming on. Look at the quality of this carbon. Look at the quality of that, lads. Do you know what I mean? Absolutely brilliant. I'm going to have to get a front carbon bumper now. Anyone want to sponsor me?